In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a lower engine torque strut mount on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the vehicle and on the engine. Let's get started. We're going to make our way under the vehicle and locate our engine and torque strut mount. Quick note, if your vehicle still has its splash shield present, unlike our vehicle, now's the time to remove it. There will be fasteners on the back and front. We're going to set our pull jack on our engine where it meets the transmission. Just line it up and support it. We're going to move on to our subframe and locate our 15mm mounting bolt. Break this free and remove it. And set it aside. We're going to move further up and locate another bolt, which is 15mm, which holds onto the second part of the mount. Remove it as well. We're going to remove our 3 bracket bolts, one on the side, one on top, and one on the other side. So break these free and remove them. All 3 of these are 15mm as well. The engine may move, that's completely normal. These are all different lengths, so keep in mind which position these go in. Use a wrench to remove this top one. Remove your wrench. And the bolt. Do the same for the bolt on the other side. Hold the mount while you remove it. Remove the bolt and set this unit aside. Now pull the mount out of the subframe. And there it is. Now to install our torque strut mount. Ensure the threaded part points towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Slide it into the subframe. We're going to reinstall our bracket as well. Put it into place. Feed the bushing onto the mount. And hand thread on your 3 bolts. We're going to snug down our driver's side bolt. Now we're going to hand thread on and install our other 2 bolts. Line them up and tie until they're snug. Snug both of these down. Same for the top one. We're going to torque all of these down to 59 foot-pounds. Now we're going to move on to our torque strut mount and reinstall its 2 bolts. Line it up with the bracket and insert your bolt. We're going to insert the back bolt as well. Now we could go ahead and snug these down. We're going to torque both of these down to 92 foot-pounds. We can now lower and remove our pull jack. If your splash shield is present, now is the time to reinstall it. And that completes our install. Take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.